P0748 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid A electrical. P0748 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid A electrical. It indicates a problem with the pressure control solenoid A in an automatic transmission vehicle. This code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an electrical issue with the solenoid. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty pressure control solenoid, dirty transmission fluid, clogged transmission filter, faulty transmission pump, faulty transmission valve body, faulty wiring or connector, faulty PCM, clogged hydraulic channels. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in various vehicles with automatic transmissions, commonly comes in Toyota, Nissan, Ford, Mercedes, and Chevy vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.